Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Aventine. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I decided to take a leisurely walk through the tranquil gardens of the Aventine Hill in Rome. The Aventine is one of the 7 hills of Rome, known for its lush gardens and historic significance as a residential and religious area in ancient times. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.